Let me give you a small tour of the St. Lawrence College Cornwall campus. There's 2 buildings on campus, Altsville and Millinette. Let's start with Millinette. This is probably the building you'll first go to when you come on the campus. You may also have a lot of classes in this building. As you enter, there's a grand hall, and as you keep going, you'll eventually see the weight room and the cardio room as well as the gym. In the same hall, there's the marketplace where you can buy coffee, tea, muffins, or any snacks you need. Now let's go to the Altsville building. As you enter, you'll be met with the Altsville Hall Theater, an amazing and big part of the school. You'll also find the Student Union Lounge, also known as the Shark Tank. A lot of our activities are held here as well as events. It's also a great place to meet other students. The library is also in this building, and it's a beautiful, very cozy library. It also overlooks the St. Lawrence River, which makes it a perfect place to study all the time.